Today, we will compare the power of different types of vehicles, from a compact city bike to one of the most powerful trucks in the world. What is horsepower? It is a unit used to measure engine power. In simple terms, it shows how strong an engine is and how quickly it can perform work. The term was invented by engineer James Watt in the 18th century to help people better understand the capabilities of new machines. Let's start with a legend of city roads, Honda Super Cub. This model is considered the best-selling motorized vehicle in history. Since its introduction in 1958, more than 100 million units have been produced. These motorcycles are often used by couriers, delivery services, and residents of Asian megacities. The engine here is small, about 8 horsepower, which is enough for economical city transportation. The next participant is a Pitbike. This is a compact motorcycle designed for training and off-road riding. Originally, these bikes were used by mechanics and riders in motocross events to quickly move between service areas. Despite the modest power of about 10 horsepower, the lightweight makes these motorcycles very quick and agile. Now we move on to one of the most famous cars in the world, Toyota Corolla. This model has become a symbol of reliability and practicality, and total sales have already exceeded 50 million vehicles. Its engine produces about 140 horsepower. This is enough for comfortable driving both in the city and on highways, while the car remains economical and affordable. The next vehicle is a true technological monster among motorcycles. Kawasaki Ninja is a track bike that is not designed for regular roads. It is one of the most powerful production motorcycles in history, capable of reaching speeds comparable to supercars. Thanks to its supercharged engine, its power reaches about 310 horsepower. Jeep Wrangler Rubicon is one of the most famous off-road vehicles in the world. This model is built for difficult terrain, rocks, mud, and mountain trails. The main feature of the Wrangler is not speed, but off-road capability, allowing it to overcome obstacles that ordinary cars cannot. The Rubicon version is equipped with a powerful V8 engine, producing about 465 horsepower. Porsche 911 is one of the most recognizable sports cars. The legendary 911 model has been produced for more than half a century and is considered a benchmark of engineering precision. The car accelerates to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars. Its engine produces about 650 horsepower. Now we move to a new generation electric performance car, Tesla Model S Plaid. Thanks to the instant torque of its electric motors, the car accelerates to 100 kilometers per hour in about 2 seconds, faster than many supercars. Its power exceeds 1,000 horsepower. Bugatti Chiron is one of the most powerful and fastest cars ever built for public roads. Under the hood is a massive W16 engine with 4 turbochargers, allowing a top speed above 440 kilometers per hour. Its power is about 1,600 horsepower, and its price is measured in millions of dollars. And finally, a giant of mining machinery, the Belaz 75710. This is the largest mining dump truck in the world, designed to transport massive amounts of rock. Its payload capacity reaches 450 tons, roughly the weight of about 80 African elephants. The truck is equipped with 2 diesel engines with a combined power of about 4,600 horsepower. These machines operate in large mines and mining enterprises around the world. Subscribe if you want to see even more interesting content.